Hi lovelies, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'll be showing how I was able to make this Afang soup, and it's totally affordable and also easy to make. Do well to watch till the end of this video to see how I was able to make it. Don't also forget to subscribe to see more of my videos. I'll be using cow meat for this, so this is the beef I'm using. I'll go in with some seasoning cube, then I'll be adding my salt to taste. I'll also be adding my blended pepper. So I added enough of this because this soup actually needs much pepper. Then I'll go in with my onion. Some persons do skip onion in the soup, but for me I will actually add the onion so to give my protein some taste instead of just cooking the soup without the onion. I'll just give this a good mix so everything combines very well. Then what I'll be doing next is to close my pot. I'll let this cook. Note, I did not add any water to this. If you notice, there is no water in this. Like, I did not add any water. I just let the meat bring out its own water. Then I'll go in with my pomo, which is still the cow skin. Then my fish, which is the bangla fish. Yeah, that's what they call the fish. That is, you can still use your dry fish. So I'll just give this a good mix also, and I will not also add water. That's because we're using water leaf for this soup, and water leaf tends to bring much water. Once it's cooked, I'll just go in with my palm oil. If you notice also, there is still water in the pot, very little, because I don't even need any water at all in this pot. I'll close my pot and let everything cook for like 2 to 3 minutes, and this is what we're having here. Persons might go ahead and add water, but please don't add water. You can add water later after you've added your water leaf. If you're sure that you still need to add water, you can add it later. So here I'll go in with my water leaf. I had enough water leaf for this soup, so I had to even end the video before adding the remaining water leaf. Once I've added the water leaf, I'm going to mix everything together. Take your time while mixing it so you don't leave your protein down in the pot. So mix it well. Next, I'll be adding my periwinkle. And after that, I'll add my Cameroon pepper, which is also the black pepper. And I'll still add more blended pepper. Like I said, this soup needs enough pepper. Then I also added more seasoning cube and salt to taste. These things I added is just to adjust the taste of the meal. I did not want this whole seasoning to go into the beef, but now I want it to go to the soup. Then I added some crayfish to it, like you saw it there. I did not grind this crayfish, but please do have to grind yours. I just used the one I had at home because I already grinded some with my Afang leaf. So I just added this crayfish here. If you have enough crayfish, do well to add in your own because crayfish gives it better taste. The soup is already bringing out much water. You don't need water like I said. And next I'll be going in with my Afang leaf, and I'll give this a good mix. If you notice also, there is crayfish with that Afang leaf. So I'll just give this a good mix and let to cook. Afang leaf does not need to cook for long, so I will not even let this cook for more than 3 to 5 minutes. Even 2 minutes, it's okay. I'll be adding some palm oil to it also. You can skip this part if you feel the first palm oil you added it's okay, but mine wasn't okay, so I just added a little more to the soup, and that is all for your Afang soup. You can give the try and tell me the outcome of yours. If you also have more proteins to add to your meal, do what to add. You can also add your stock fish and any other thing you wish to add. And our Afang soup is ready. Let me know what you think about this method of preparing your Afang soup. To see more of my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to also like this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.